In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Pinterest feed to Webflow. By the end, you'll know where to find the official integration guidance, how to grab a Pinterest board widget for your feed, and how to round things out with optional tools that boost engagement and automation. Start by opening your browser and searching for Pinterest Webflow. From the results, go to the official Webflow integrations page for Pinterest, labeled something like Integrate Pinterest with Webflow or Quick Connect Guide. This page is your hub for all the supported ways to bring Pinterest into your site, and it's kept up to date by Webflow, so it's a great first stop. On that page, look for the section that explains how to integrate Pinterest with Webflow. You'll see multiple approaches. First, review the Code Embeds option. This is the standard path for adding Pinterest content directly on your pages using Webflow's Embed element. You'll also see a Use Third-Party Apps area, which highlights tools that can help, especially if you prefer a no-code workflow. There's a mention of using an automation platform to connect Webflow and Pinterest with pre-built workflows. That's useful if you want new site content to automatically sync or trigger pins behind the scenes. Next, find the portion about code embeds and widgets, and choose the Pinterest board widget. This is the key for displaying your Pinterest feed. Configure the board you want to show, size, layout, and the board link. Then save your preferences. The widget generator provides the snippet you'll use with Webflow's Embed element, so the feed shows up right in your design. A quick tip: keep your board curated and named clearly, so the feed looks polished on your site. If you're planning more advanced builds, scan the sections about using APIs, automating content publishing, building dynamic galleries, and tracking cross-platform analytics. These ideas show how far you can go, like powering shoppable galleries on e-commerce pages or measuring how your embedded content performs. Now, inside your Webflow workspace, open the Apps Marketplace and search for a social sharing tool that supports Pinterest. Locate the listing that adds beautiful social share buttons to your site. Open the full listing, read the description to confirm Pinterest support, and review the permissions so you know exactly what access the app needs. When you're comfortable, click Install on site. You'll be guided through a brief authorization flow. Confirm the app provider, choose the site or workspace where you want it installed, and authorize. Once installed, you can place the share buttons where they complement your embedded Pinterest board, helping visitors both view your feed and share your content with a single click.